Welcome. Today, you'll hear a collection of simple daily conversations that will help you build your vocabulary and strengthen your listening and speaking skills. All you have to do is relax and follow the dialogue. Let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I hope your stay with us has been comfortable so far.
It has been wonderful. Everyone here has been very polite, and the room my wife and I are staying in is beautiful. We're really enjoying our time here.
I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything I can do for you this morning?
Actually, yes. My wife and I plan to go out for lunch today, and we're hoping you can suggest a good place to eat.
Of course. What kind of food are you both in the mood for?
Well, my wife is vegetarian, so we're looking for something that has plenty of vegetables.
Do either of you eat fish?
Yes, we both do.
And how do you feel about spicy dishes?
My wife enjoys spicy food, but I usually prefer something mild.
In that case, you might like a Japanese restaurant. They serve a lot of vegetable dishes along with rice and fish. Some menu items have spice, and others are very mild.
That sounds great.
There's a very good Japanese restaurant downtown. If you'd like, I can call and make a reservation for you.
That would be perfect. Could you also arrange a taxi to take us there?
Absolutely. I'll have a cab pick you up at noon. Does that time work?
That's exactly what we need. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello again. If you're enjoying this story, feel free to support our channel with a like.
Welcome to our restaurant.
Hello, could we have a table for two, please?
Certainly. Please follow me, and I'll show you to your seats. Is this your first time dining with us?
Yes, it is. Your restaurant looks very beautiful. The decorations are lovely.
Thank you so much. Here is your table, and here are your menus. Take a few minutes to look them over. Would you like anything to drink while you decide?
Yes, could we have a pot of green tea?
Of course. I'll bring that right out. Here you are, a fresh pot of green tea. Are you ready to order?
I think so. I'd like the daily special.
That's a very popular choice. It comes with soup, but the special doesn't include salad. Would you like to add a salad on the side?
Yes, please. What dressings do you have?
We have several, but our house dressing is the most requested.
Then I'll take the house dressing.
Great. And what about you, sir? What would you like today?
I'm torn between the daily special and the salmon platter. What do you recommend?
Well, today's special actually is salmon.
Oh, that makes it easy then. I'll go with the special.
Excellent. Would you like a side salad with that?
No, thank you.
All right. Anything else for now?
No, that will do.
I'll place your order. Enjoy your tea.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe for more in the future.
Hello. Is there something I can help you find?
Yes, I'm looking for a new book to read.
Then you're in the right place. What type of story are you interested in?
I want something full of excitement and action.
Then I suggest browsing through the adventure section. Would you like me to show you where it is?
Yes, please.
Follow me. Here we are. You can pick any of these books to borrow. Would you like a recommendation?
Sure.
How about this one? It's about pirates and hidden treasure.
I actually read that last month.
Did you enjoy it?
It was fun, but it was a bit long. I like shorter books.
Then let's try something else. What about this one?
The cover looks interesting. Have you read it?
Yes, last year. It moves quickly and has lots of action. The main character is a wizard with a great sense of humor.
That sounds perfect. I'll take it.
Do you need anything else?
No, just this book.
Great. I can check it out for you at the front desk. Do you have your library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. All right, this book is now checked out. It's due back in 3 weeks.
Thanks for your help. I can't wait to start reading it.
I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hello. I'd like 2 drinks to go. First, can I have an extra large iced coffee?
Sure. What kind of milk would you like? We have regular, skim, fat-free, almond, soy, and oat milk.
Which one is the healthiest?
That depends on your goals, but many people choose skim or fat-free when they want fewer calories.
Then skim milk, please.
No problem. And your second drink?
A medium iced vanilla latte.
Would you like skim milk in that one too?
No, this one is for a coworker. Regular milk is fine.
Anything else today?
No, that's everything. What's the total with tax?
It comes to $11.13.
I'll pay with a credit card. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have a points card?
I do, but it's in my other bag.
That's fine. If you tell me your phone number, I can add your points.
Sure, it's 501-222-7363.
Perfect. The points are added. Here's your card back. Your drinks will be ready on the counter to your left.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good. How can I help you?
I'd like to deposit a check.
No problem. May I see your bank card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN on the card reader.
Done.
All right. Your PIN was accepted. May I have the check you want to deposit?
Here it is.
Thank you. I'll put the information in. Please wait a moment while I process it. All right. Your check has been deposited. Do you need anything else today?
Yes, I'd also like to check my account balance.
I'll print that for you now. Here you go.
Thank you. That's everything.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi there.
Hello. Do you know where the mystery section is?
I think it's toward the back of the store.
Thanks.
Are you looking for a specific book?
Not exactly. I'm in the mood for a mystery. I want something exciting.
Well, you're in luck. All mystery books are half price this weekend.
Really? That's perfect. Can you recommend an author?
I haven't read a lot of mysteries, but maybe you could try the Sherlock Holmes series.
I've read them already, and they weren't really my style. I'd like something written by a woman this time.
In that case, many people enjoy Agatha Christie. She wrote dozens of mystery novels.
I've never read any of her books. Which ones do you have in stock?
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't work here. I'm just someone who loves bookstores.
Oh, my mistake.
No worries.
You know, the nice thing about bookstores is that you can practice English almost anywhere. Just listening to short stories and responding out loud can help you improve much faster.
Do you have the shopping list, Ben?
Yes, I've got it right here.
Great. Let's head to the produce area first. Do we need any vegetables today?
Yes, we need 5 different ones. Carrots, onions, broccoli, cabbage, and mushrooms.
All right, let's grab what we need.
Look, Dad, the carrots are on sale. Normally 5 carrots cost $2, but today we can get 10 carrots for $3. Should we buy 10 instead of 5?
No, we should stick to what we need. Let's just get the 5 carrots on our list.
Okay, Dad. Do we need any fruit?
Yes, bananas and apples.
What about oranges?
We still have 4 at home, so we don't need more right now.
Wow, Dad, you remember everything.
Let's pick up a bunch of bananas and a bag of apples. What's next?
Eggs and cheese. I'll get the eggs.
Careful with them, they break easily.
I know, Dad. Got them.
Good job. Now, what kind of cheese should we get? What's your favorite?
I love mozzarella.
And I prefer cheddar, so how about we get marble cheese, since it's a mix of both?
That sounds great.
There's one more thing on the list.
What is it?
A chocolate bar.
A chocolate bar? I don't remember writing that.
That's because I added it. It's my little reward for helping with the groceries today.
I can't argue with that. You've been a big help.
Hello, what can I do for you today?
Hi, my girlfriend and I are trying to choose a movie for tonight.
We're showing 7 different films at the moment. What kind of movies do you both enjoy?
She wants a comedy, but I'm not a fan of funny movies. I prefer action or romance.
I like action too, but romance movies feel slow to me.
How about an animated film?
Maybe. What's it about?
It's about animals that sing and dance.
Isn't that more for kids?
Yes, it is. We want something a bit more grown up.
Then you might consider a horror movie.
What's the horror film about?
Zombies. It's very fast-paced with lots of action. I should warn you though, there's a small romantic subplot.
There's romance in a zombie movie?
Believe it or not, yes. A man falls in love with a zombie.
That actually sounds funny. We'll take 2 tickets.
Now you're going to hear a conversation between 2 friends, Christine and Ryan. They're talking about their everyday habits. After the conversation, I'll ask some questions. Try your best to answer out loud to build confidence and fluency.
Hey, Ryan. Over here.
Oh, Christine, there you are. Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. What kept you?
My mornings have been too busy lately. Everything feels rushed.
I'm sorry to hear that. What do you usually have to do each morning?
First of all, I sleep through my alarm most days because I'm exhausted. It goes off at 6, but I usually hit snooze again and again until around 7.
Why are you so tired in the morning?
Honestly, it's my own fault. I meet up with friends for a drink around 10 and I get home after midnight. Then I spend a couple of hours playing games or scrolling through my phone. I usually don't go to bed until 2 in the morning.
That's definitely not helping. You should try going to bed earlier.
I know. I think I'm addicted to my phone.
What else makes your mornings so busy?
Well, since I wake up late, everything gets pushed back. As soon as I get up, I take my dog outside, then I throw the ball for him so he gets some exercise. By the time I'm done, it's already 7:30 and I haven't even eaten breakfast, brushed my teeth, or gotten dressed. My bus leaves at 7:45.
That's cutting it pretty close. How far is the bus stop from your house?
About a 5-minute walk if I walk quickly, so I rush through getting dressed, skip breakfast, and run out the door.
What time do you usually reach work?
If everything goes smoothly, I'm there by 8:45. Then I grab a candy bar or soda before starting the day. I work until lunch, then get fast food with a few coworkers. After work, I go home and play computer games for a couple of hours. Then I order pizza or more fast food for dinner, watch TV until around 10, and then head out to meet friends again.
It sounds like you might need a new routine, something healthier, something with more rest.
Really? What kind of changes should I make?
You could start by going to bed earlier, maybe watch a little TV after dinner, but go to sleep before midnight. That alone would give you 2 extra hours of rest.
I see your point, but when would I see my friends?
You might have to give up meeting them every night. Maybe you can meet after work before dinner, or save those hangouts for the weekends. If you sleep earlier, you'll wake up feeling refreshed. Then you'll have time to eat a healthy breakfast before catching the bus.
That actually sounds reasonable. I'm always exhausted by mid-morning. Maybe it's because I eat candy and soda at work instead of real food.
Right. Try skipping the candy and bring something healthy. You can pack your lunch before you leave your house in the morning. Fast food isn't just unhealthy, it's expensive too.
You're right. I feel more motivated already. I think I really need to do this.
I'm glad. So what is your own daily routine like, Christine?
I'm happy you asked. I usually wake up around 6. I start my day with a big glass of water so I feel hydrated. After that, I exercise for about 30 minutes. Sometimes I run, sometimes I do yoga, and sometimes I lift weights. Then I shower, get dressed, and do my makeup. I eat a light breakfast, usually oatmeal or eggs. By then, it's usually around 8. I pack a salad or sandwich for lunch and ride my bike to work. The ride takes about 20 minutes.
Sounds nice.
So when I arrive at work, I check emails first. Then I look over my schedule for the day. I work through the morning and eat my lunch outside. Then I go back inside to work through the afternoon. Since I usually get in early, I can leave a bit early too, and that helps me avoid traffic on the way home. Sometimes I stop by the store to pick up fresh ingredients for dinner. In the evening, I might meet up with friends or just relax, read or watch TV. I cook dinner around 7, eat, and wind down before going to bed at 10.
That's a really good routine. Are you able to fall asleep that early?
Yes, easily. Morning exercise and biking to work make me tired by the evening.
Honestly, this is all really helpful. I'm thinking of buying a bicycle and maybe riding to work a few times a week.
That's a great idea. Just don't push yourself too fast. Try making one change at a time so you don't burn out.
Good advice. I think I'll stop by the store now and pick up something healthy for dinner. Thanks again for meeting me.
Anytime. Take care.